In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export layer without its fill in Figma. This is perfect when you want to export just the outline of a shape or icon, keep transparency intact, or prepare assets that shouldn't contain any interior color. We'll walk through a simple, non-destructive workflow so you can switch the fill back on later if you need it. Start by selecting the object you want to export. You can click it directly on the canvas, or select it from the Layers panel if it's tucked inside a group or frame. Make sure you see its properties in the right-hand sidebar. If multiple layers are selected by accident, click once on empty space to clear the selection, then choose just the one layer you need. Taking a second here avoids exporting the wrong thing. Next, look for the Fill section in the right sidebar. You'll see an eye icon next to the fill swatch. Click that eye to hide the fill. This turns off only the fill, not the stroke, so any outline or border you've applied will remain visible. You should notice the color inside the shape disappear while the outline stays on the canvas. This is better than setting the fill opacity to 0 because the visibility toggle makes it clear the fill is intentionally off, and it won't accidentally reappear due to blend modes or effects. Don't worry, this is non-destructive. You can click the eye again anytime to bring the fill back. Now head down to the Export section at the bottom of the right sidebar and click Export. This tells Figma you're preparing this selected layer for output. Export respects what's visible, so with the fill hidden, you'll get only the stroke or outline in your final file. Choose your file type, then click Export to finish. For clean transparency, PNG works great for raster images, while SVG is ideal for crisp, scalable outlines in code or vector workflows. jpeg adds a background and won't preserve transparency, so use it only if you specifically need a flattened image. PDF can be helpful for print or sharing vector-based assets. After selecting the format, click Export, choose where to save, and you're done. Open the file to confirm the shape exports without its interior fill, and that the outline looks exactly as it did in Figma. That's all you need. Select the object, hide the fill with the eye icon, click Export, pick your format, and export. Simple, reversible, and reliable.